So in news today, Canada are building internment camps, and in open parliament the government refused to answer whether they were what they were for. They weren't just for travellers, and they weren't just for the Kobe. Macron in France has just made a decree that Arabic should be taught in all schools. That's just backwards cowardice. That is absolute backward cowardice. And in Britain, I don't want to talk about Britain, but I will tell you something about Madrid. A judge in Madrid has overturned the lockdown rules, so it means that people in that area can't be fined, which is absolutely fantastic. But it's just a very small battle in a very large war that we're all in at the moment. And I hope you enjoyed the Negro Kush.